Okay guys, so in this tutorial we are going to use the Notepad++ text editor, which I recommend for this tutorial series, since it's a very easy and useful text editor. Let me show you the site. You just go on Notepad++. It's very light, I guess like 10 or 12 MB or even less. You go on here and then you find the download link, click on that. It's very straightforward. You select the version that you like, or you just click download directly, and here it is. Just go through the wizard to install it. I have already installed mine, so I won't repeat the process. So in using Notepad, once you have that Notepad++, either it would run by itself, or you can search it through your start menu if you're using Windows, and then you have this interface. Now what we are going to do is create a web page whose title we will customize. So there would be only the title. So if you are wondering what is the title, for example, here the title of this page on the tab is Notepad++ and the version of that Notepad. So that's what we are going to do, but ours will be a bit different in terms of the title. So first thing first, I already have the code. I am going to explain you it, and explain you also how to save this page, how to save this document as an HTML document. Alright, now so the first line of code, as I explained you in the previous tutorial, is the document type, which must always be HTML whenever you are creating an HTML page. So then you have these tags that you need to use. You will always need to have a starting tag, for example one like this, ending with, how we can call it, a less than sign followed by a greater than sign. In between you would have your tag. These are called tags. HTML, this is a tag, and then after it you would have the ending tag, like a backslash followed by the same word HTML. It must be, and also note that it is case sensitive, so that's why it must be the same. The two of them must be the same. If I remove one and I write something else, it would be an error. If I put a T capital here, there would be still an error. So these two, the HTML must be the same. The same concept applies for other HTML tags. So next is the head tag. So remember, whenever you have this kind of less than sign followed by a greater than sign and you have a word in between, this is called a tag. So we have the head tag. In the head tag we have the title of the page. That's what I was talking about. The title is the tab, as we said. The tab of the title is the title of the page. The title tag, page title, it already says it on our example. Let's change that to channel or and here we have the body tag, which we will cover in the next tutorial in possibly details. For now we are only doing the basic stuff, but very soon we will do very complicated things. But that won't be too complicated to understand, but they would be complex for a beginner. That's why we are not covering them now. Alright, so all that is done. Let's save this page. Click on File, Save As, and then you just save your page as whatever you want to call it. I would call my index. Index is basically the default for most web pages. You can call it index, you can call it default, and something like that. We will cover this concept as well in our MVC tutorials, where index and default are always the page first, the home page. The home page is always called either index or default. Right, now that we have saved the page, we can view it. I have saved it on my desktop. You must look for it wherever you saved it. So now we got this index.html. I right click on it, open with the browser I want. I would use Google Chrome, and that's it. We got channel R in the title. We just created our first HTML page. So that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want. Now, this is Rishiraj signing off.